Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. Please let me know down in the comments how you spent the Valentine's Day weekend. I'd love to know. As for me and my family, we went to the zoo and to a indoor water park. We had lots of fun. Today we have this quick clean and decorate with me before we actually left, so that way we could come back to a nice clean home. So let's jump right into it. This is typically what I do on my Saturday mornings. I try and just quickly organize and get everything together. That way the rest of the week the rest of the weekend we can just do whatever we want to, and I'm not just stuck in a house cleaning, because I do that Monday through Friday. So Saturdays is just typically a quick clean with me and just quickly just pick up everything I need to pick up, fold, throw in a load of laundry, dry it, and then just put the clothing up. I know some people like deep cleaning on the weekends, but I just can't do that every weekend, just because my husband does work all week, and his only time to distract himself, or for us to distract ourselves from being home or the work week, is just going out as a family, or just not having the stress of a messy home on the weekend. I feel like is very important to us. That way we're not stressed out. I feel like when you have a messy home on a weekend, you're just stressed because you leave for the weekend to have fun with your family, come back and it's a messy house, and it's just not a good scene. Now Sunday, on the other hand, is one of the days I feel can really get out of hand or messy, just because, or if my husband works on Saturday, Sunday is his day off, so then that day I don't do anything. We typically leave early in the morning and then come back at night. So, or if we stay home, we're home and the kids are just constantly making a mess because they have nothing else to do. So they take out their toys, they take out their paints, they're coloring, painting, and by the time you know it, the living room is upside down. So my Mondays is the day that I use to like reset, just to reset the weekend, or the Sunday that we stayed home and there was a mess. Or if we go out the whole time on Sunday, then Saturday was already clean, so then Sunday is just, a day for us to really enjoy. I like to consider Sundays as my unofficial day off. And I say day off as in I don't do as much cleaning on Sunday. I just kind of take it easy and just take in or soak up me not being stressed out about cleaning a house, and just letting the kids do what they want to do, because you can't be on them 24/7. You have to let them be kids. And I mean, I let my kids be kids on the weekend, but Saturdays is kind of like the day that I like to really make sure that it's clean, just because if we do leave on a Saturday, I like to come back to a clean home and not have that stress. Am I the only one that takes an unofficial day off? That's my Sunday, or do you guys do another day throughout the week? Or let me know, what are your thoughts on that? On another note, since we're in the kitchen now, my husband and I don't really like the yellow tone cabinets, and we're really torn or like indecisive between going dark or painting them white. What do you guys recommend, since you guys already seen my entire home? Should we go like a darker, like an espresso color, or like a cherry wood color, or should we just go white? What do you think would look best with the countertops that we have? Because we're not planning on changing out the countertops, or we're planning on leaving them the same. Probably just adding like a backsplash and painting the cabinets. What are your thoughts? What do you think we should do? And by going dark, I mean like staining the wood. Like, I think that's what it's called when you stain the wood a darker color. We'd go with a darker varnish on it, or actually sanding them down and painting them white. I don't know. I really love a white kitchen. I mean, to be honest, a white kitchen is like my dream kitchen. Plus, to film, I just feel like it just brings in so much light. But then I'm like, oh, I have a white table and my kids always put their fingerprints. If they're eating spaghetti, that gets all over the table, and I'm constantly having to clean the white table. I don't know if I can handle cleaning an entire kitchen. And then I use a lot of like guisados, so that's like a lot of sauces and dried chiles and seasoning. So I'm like, oh my gosh, what if something falls in and splashes on my cabinets? I don't know. So I mean, that's why I've taken so long to paint them. I really want to make the right decision. So if you guys could help me out, it would mean so much to me. This stroller has to be one of my all-time favorite Facebook Marketplace finds. It's like one of those wagon strollers, and I absolutely love it. They can be pricey, but I got an amazing deal, and it was nearly new. So my son loves playing with this indoors, since right now it can be pretty chilly outside, and he loves playing with it indoors. And I just think it's the perfect stroller. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tidy up. And this is what I do for weekends. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.